Hi guys, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to assemble, hold, and take apart a trombone. And stay tuned for my next video where I will be showing you how to play We Will Rock You. So this is what the trombone looks like. My gosh, you can't even fit it on the camera, gosh. So this is the bell. This is the slide. I don't really have time to name everything because that's not what this video is on. So, I'm gonna show you how to disassemble it, then assemble it, and then show you how to hold it. Okay. So this is how you take apart a trombone. So what you're gonna want to do is take this part and unscrew it. Then when that is unscrewed, you're going to want to take your mouthpiece off and put it where it goes. My mouthpiece goes right in here. Okay. Now when you have this part unscrewed, you are going to want to take the slide off. So I'm just going to take the slide off right now. Okay. Now you will have two parts. Switch the camera. You will have this part and this part, the slide and the bell. So what you're going to want to do is I'm just going to start by taking my slide and sitting that down so I can put this where it's supposed to go. You're going to want to take it. Oh, wrong place. Wait. You're going to want to take it and sit it right here where it's supposed to go. Then you're going to want to turn this so it doesn't fall out, just to protect it more. Then we're going to take our slide and put it, oh, whoopsies, I put it backwards. And you're going to want to put it so that the water mouth is out. And then there are two parts for the slide, because the slide is probably one of the most important parts of the trombone. And then you can close it. And buckle it up. And then all the way over here. Whoopsies. Okay. And then turn this around. And then you have your trombone. And now, let's teach you how to assemble it. Okay. So first, open it up. So open up your case and then take all these parts and slide them back up where they're supposed to go. So I also just did that with this one, and they're camouflaged so you can't see them, but I can. And this one right here. Oh, and yeah, this is where all of your cleaning supplies are. This is to oil it. I have no clue what that is for, and that's for the mouthpiece. So first, what we're going to want to do is take out all of our parts. So I'm going to take out the slide first. Slide. And set it aside. While I take out this part. And I'm going to put the slide in. The bigger part, so here, let me just show you guys some things. So, the bigger part of the slide, which is right here, will always go in here, where you screw it on. And then we're going to line it up correctly and tighten it. Yep. Okay, tighten it as hard as you can, as tight as you can, I should say. Okay. Now, when you have that first part assembled, you're going to want to take out your mouthpiece. I'm going to give it a little scrub. That only takes a couple seconds. Take it, and if you want a video on how to clean the trombone, just comment that. And you put it up here. Oh wait, yeah, I should really tell you guys. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna put my cleaning stuff back and put my mouthpiece on the smaller part of the slide. Okay. Alright. When you've got your trombone assembled, make sure your slide is locked, like mine is. And you're going to want to take your left hand and make like sort of an L, like you're doing a loser. You're going to do an L and put your the crease of your thumb and your pointer finger right here, right next to the bell where you would play. Rest it on your shoulders and clip that off.
I'm taking note at GameStop. We'll be back in a little while, okay? Love you.
And then we're going to hold where you play this part and hold it with 3 fingers. And trust me, you'll get used to it. And that's just the Songs Will Rock You. If you want to learn how to play it, then just comment down below. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe for more. And if you don't want to subscribe because you're like, who the heck is this girl? Why is she just telling me to subscribe? Then just don't subscribe because you just don't want to. And give this video a thumbs up for more of these. And if you have subscribed now, you're going to want to click that bell so you can be one of the first people to watch my videos. Comment down below what videos I should do next, and if you want me to teach you how to play some songs. And yeah, guys, bye!